Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here today for another Stitch Fix unboxing video. I took a break for a little while, pretty much just waiting for the spring to come, and the day after I get my box, it snows outside. It's actually snowing right now. It's snowing about 2 inches last night. So at least if anything, it'll get my hopes up for when Iowa decides to actually be spring. The box is already open because I started opening it before I realized my camera was not on. That's my life. But I'm just going to tell you guys how Stitch Fix works. If you already know about it, and you probably do, you can just fast forward to the opening of the box. Otherwise, if you want to try Stitch Fix, basically how it works really quickly is you spend 20 bucks. They send you a box personalized to your style based on what you pick from your style quiz. I have a Pinterest board that's Stitch Fix specific, and they use that board to get a lot of my outfit ideas. So that's a really good way of kind of pinning things that you like and want to try in real life. And it's pretty true. I've gotten a lot of things that I've pinned, which is super, super nice. And if you want to try Stitch Fix for free, I have a code in the description box, or you can use anyone's code. You don't have to use mine necessarily. If you have friends that do it, if you use their code, you will get to try it for free. So however you want to do it, I like Stitch Fix. The only reason I did take a break is because I was waiting for the winter to be over, because I have plenty of winter clothes. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the box. Now that I have you guys far enough away, like I said, I started opening this box already, so let's go ahead. Looks like we have shoes in here. This bag normally always contains shoes, and then you have your envelope for returning everything, and then in here you actually have some ideas on how to style your looks, and then you have the prices. I just don't open this till the end because I really like to be surprised on what I have in my box. So let's go ahead and look through the clothing items. Here is kind of what we're working with. I see some yellow, some gray, I see denim. I'm really excited about denim. And then it looks like a floral type shirt. Okay, so this first shirt is a very bright yellow tank top. Well, tank kind of top, one that you would wear to work. It is a little bit longer, so it looks like you might be able to get away with wearing this with leggings. And it has like a lace detailing on it. As you can see, this would be very beautiful with a cardigan underneath. And it is by the brand Market and Spruce, and this is a size medium. I really like the color for this season, as you guys can see. I'm not crazy about myself in yellow, so that's the only thing I think that I may not like it, because I don't love myself in yellow, but we'll see when we try it on. The next shirt is by Emery Park. I believe it's also a size medium. This is just one of those cross tie tops, the kind of X tops. A longer top, you could probably wear this with leggings, and it's just a basic tank or a basic tee in light gray. As far as these shirts go, these are extremely popular, this style of just the cross front and a plain basic tee. I think it's popular because it looks a little bit cuter than just a basic neckline. Because I have a lot of tops like this, I don't know if I'll end up keeping this one, but honestly, you can never really have too many basic t-shirts. Okay, this next one, oh, it's beautiful. Okay, it's off the shoulder by the brand Your Story, and this is like a spring top if I ever did see one. I really like this, just holding it. It does look a little bit short, but I don't know if that's because it's off the shoulder. We'll see when I try it on, but I love, okay, so here on the shoulder, aside from just the sleeve, it has a little extra to make it look a little bit more full. So I do really like this top. I hope it looks as good on as it does off. Okay, and this is denim. Oh, goodness. So these are by the brand Pistola, and they're just like a basic jean. But as you can see on the front, it has a little bit of some distressing. And then the bottom of the pant is like not hemmed, so just that kind of style. I don't own a pair of any of these jeans yet, so I'm interested to try these on. And I know that you probably could end up rolling up the bottom as well and cuffing them. So we will see how these fit. I really do like these. And then last are shoes. And oh, I can already see what they are. I pinned these to my Pinterest. These are the Kate Spade and Keds collaboration. I pinned quite a few pair of these on my Pinterest in like the last month or so. So I was wondering if they would send these to me, and I'm actually really excited. If these fit, I will keep them because I just love the style of Keds in general. And I love just the polka dots on them. And then the Kate Spade brand I just really like in general. Oh, and then here on the back there's like the little spades. That is the Kate Spade signature. So yeah, these are super cute. If these fit, I will probably keep these, to be honest. So let's go ahead and try these on, and then we will come back later and talk about the prices. So here is the first top. Just obviously the basic top. It does fit really well, and the material is like super soft. The only thing about this shirt is that it does come low. So if I don't have it pulled like up like this, I would have some serious cleavage, and I don't know that if wearing this it would start like kind of coming down because I do have it pulled up. Like, just to show you guys, when I first put it on, this is what it looked like. So obviously it's not as modest on top, and bending over you'd probably be able to see right down in there. If it was a little bit higher, I feel like just this bottom part was a little bit more closed, it would work perfectly and I probably would keep it. So I'm not sure because I don't like the idea of having a tank top underneath it because I think it just defeats the purpose of just that detailing. But overall, I really do like this shirt. I just wish that the line was just a little bit higher up. Otherwise, I could pull it off with a bralette that covers a little bit higher. I don't know. I'll have to think about this one. The pants, the Pistola pants, I have the bottom kind of cuffed up a little bit because I feel like they look better that way. I did not notice that just on this side there is like a dark kind of line hem, but it's not on this side. So I'm not sure if that's on purpose, or I feel like it's on purpose. So I feel like I'd rather have it either on both sides or just one side. So I don't know how I feel about, for me, I feel like when you're seeing it in real life, it almost looks like it's supposed to look normal, but the seam all came out, which I know is not the case because I can still see it. But I'm not so sure that I like these, and I really wish I liked them more because I always love a good pair of jeans. But again, I just don't know how I feel about just the one side having that detail. I don't know. So here is the yellow top. I'll be honest, you guys, I'm not really liking this yellow on me. Again, I'm just not a big fan of yellow on myself. The fit's actually pretty good. It's pretty standard for this kind of top. However, you would need a cami underneath because otherwise it kind of just cuts you like right at the waist. And if I did wear this to work, I would have to have some kind of a cardigan over it. And I normally try to get clothes that I can wear between work and real life. But as far as work, I'd have to have a cardigan over it because obviously it shows too much. And then if wearing it in real life, I wouldn't be able to wear an actual bra because as you can tell, you can see it. So I would need to figure out a way. I'm one of those people that can't really figure out how to wear shirts that have like complete lace on top without wearing a strapless bra. And strapless bras are a big pain in the bottom. So this shirt's okay. I think I would like it more for work with a cardigan over it than anything. Okay, this shirt I can really live with. I'm already obsessed with it. I love off the shoulder anyways, and I really like this shirt for spring. I can see myself like wearing this out to like my daughter's t-ball game or out to dinner or just anywhere. On the sleeves it does bunch up, so I feel like it helps it to stay wherever you like want to put it at. And it's not as short as I thought. It just looked short to me, I think, because of holding it up and not having like a full shirt. But overall, I really like this shirt, especially for spring. And the floral detailing, and I love the way the sleeves are. So I definitely think I will be keeping this top depending on how much it is because I really do love it. I think it would even look good with like a colored jegging and a pair of wedges. So this one is definitely like an A+ for me. So here are the Kate Spade shoes. I'm obsessed with these. I think they're so cute. I just love the style of them. I will be keeping these for sure. They fit really well. And I just love these. I actually really like them with these jeans as well. But I'm still undecided on the jeans because, again, I'm not 100% sure I love this dark side of the pant on one leg. But these shoes all together are adorable. And I definitely will be keeping them. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about the prices of everything. And then two, here's the style card, and actually on the style card here on the bottom, it does show that they cuffed the jeans, which is interesting because I figured you'd want to cuff them. And then as far as the yellow shoulder, they do show it with a cardigan as well. So at least I kind of halfway know what I'm talking about, which is great. So as far as the prices of everything, okay, so the Kate Spade shoes they are a size 7.5, if you guys are wondering. They are $78, and that is the price of them on the Kate Spade website as well. So you guys can actually get, or I'm sorry, the Keds website has all of these shoes in them. So there's different types of style, but I know for sure you can get them on the Keds website right now because I was just looking at them a few weeks ago. And then these Pistola jeans, they are $88, which I feel like for jeans isn't bad. Jeans are something that I'm willing to pay for because they last a long time. This Market and Spruce yellow blouse is $54, which for me, I feel like that's kind of a lot for the kind of shirt that it is. I mean, if it was probably like $45 or less, I'd be all for it, but I just don't know that I love it enough to spend $54 on it. This off-the-shoulder top is $38. Very reasonable. I probably will keep this top. And then this cross front knit top is $28. Very good price for this kind of top. So I just need like 10 seconds to figure out what I'm going to keep, and I will tell you my total. If I were to buy everything in this box, I would get the 25% off. So everything just regular subtotal is $286. So minus the discount, if I bought all 5, I would pay $215.50. However, your styling fee that you pay, the 20 bucks goes towards that. So I could get everything in this box for like $195, which is good. I mean, you're getting a pair of Kate Spade Ked shoes and a pair of jeans and 3 tops, which is great for $195. Okay, so after I've kind of looked at everything, I think I for sure am going to keep these. Obviously, I'm obsessed with them. And I'm also going to keep this top, but I'm only going to keep these 2 items. I really almost wanted to keep this gray shirt, but I know I have so many like it that to me it just kind of feels like pointless to add another to my closet, even though I really, really do like it. If the cleavage thing wasn't an issue, I probably wouldn't care. But buying these 2 together, these were $78. This was $38 minus my $20 styling fee. I'm only paying $96 for both of them, which is a really great deal because, I mean, these shoes are new to the market, so obviously you're going to pay full price no matter what or where you buy them from. But I'm obsessed with this floral top, and I just can't wait to wear it when it becomes spring here in Iowa. So I actually decided just to refilm and put this in. I did decide to go ahead and keep this top. I tried it on and just tried to like move around and see how it laid and how it felt on me. And I actually do like it, and it's not as bad as I thought. It took me about 5 minutes of walking around doing things to make sure, but I am going to go ahead and keep this top too, just because it is going to be spring and summer here soon, and whenever we're going to like ball games and stuff, I'm just going to want something simple to throw on. So this kind of fits the bill on it, and for the price, you can't really beat it. So had to go ahead and mention that to you guys as well. So I'm keeping 3 items out of 5. I'm going to go ahead and put these 3 back into my postage envelope and send these back. And I'm excited to be doing Stitch Fix again. I really enjoy it. And I know that if you're a clothing person like me, you'll probably enjoy it too. So again, if you want to sign up, any link that you use, mine down below, your friend's link, your mom's link, whoever, you'll try it for free your first month. and it's super easy. I like how easy it is. Having a toddler of my daughter's age, she is just about to be 4. It's almost impossible to go on to like any kind of store and try on a bunch of clothes. After like 2 items, she's done, and it's kind of hard to sit there and think about if I like something. But with Stitch Fix, you have 3 days, which is amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.